We are honored to feature 3 of our proud alumni from the Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness, BSAB, program. These individuals are shining examples of how the program nurtures not only academic excellence but also professional growth and leadership in the field of agribusiness. We are proud of our agribusiness alumna, Ms. Jaira Rosales, who turned her passion into a thriving venture. She now manages her own business, Cakes by Jaira, a true reflection of the entrepreneurial spirit nurtured by the BSAB program.
Mga subject naman po namon na nakahatag ha akon hin dako po nga impact labi na po ha akon business since I'm a home baker nga po. So kailangan ko po talaga hin powerful nga or strong promotion. So mas nakabulig po talaga akon an side hand marketing aspect po talaga. Since di na po kasi na iintindihan ko po kung ano ang gustuhan akon customer at the same time po kung paano ko pa igma-market ang akong product.
Mr. Mark Satore, also a proud agribusiness graduate, applies his knowledge and skills in managing their family business.
Freshman mga agribusiness or mag-apply pa na may agribusiness and ma-advise ko lang iyo kung sumunod ka mo yung kurso normal nga makuri talaga ang subject and ako lang advice iyo is padayon lagi hapon ka bisan makuri kay makakatanggi hapon to niyo kasi at the end nga man maupay man ang learnings yung knowledge nga yung masasabtan about agribusiness.
Ms. Jenelyn, an agribusiness graduate who is currently working as an administrative staff at Canaan Hill Farm, shares that no matter how hard the course is, with God by your side, everything done in His will.
Anakon ko ma-advise para mga currently studying on BS Agribusiness, ganun mga magkukuha pa, magtutuka pa BS Agribusiness. Kaya naman nagkuha kami itong kurso makuri. Pero po, honestly talaga po formula. At first po kasi atong grade first year kami, interview kami kaya nagkuha kami itong course. Then ang akon po kasi nayakan is because I love the course. Tapos after po mga 3rd year or 4th year na nakasaring po ako, nagbasol ako na ako ng kuha nga kurso. Kaya dari po ngayon talaga yalalim. Pero at least ginkuan po kami ton mas ginmold pa po kami nga maging sugari po itong reality and life nga dire po talaga madali. Damang mga challenges nga makukuha na ma-encounter naton aton kinabuhi, pero syempre bulig ni Lord makakaya man po gyapon. Thankful po. Yes, thankful po ako nga padayon la ang future agribusiness.
At the heart of our efforts are our graduates, who embody the knowledge, skills, and values nurtured in the BSAB program. Their achievements in various fields stand as a testament to the quality of education we uphold and continuously strive to improve.
Sa agribusiness, we make things happen and we make it better.
Sa agribusiness, we make things happen and we make it better.